right now. They just closed westbound 84 up there. So who knows? This might actually work out well. This load might get there faster because I went out of route to go to the Missoula terminal. Someone else is going to have to finish the run for us, which means we'll be splitting the pay with another driver. But this load pays pretty well per mile, so it won't hurt us too bad on the revenue. I'm curious to see what happens if a company driver takes it, because I don't know how they do the revenue split if Repower is a lease op to a company driver. I don't know how that works out. It would be weird if it was just like they took it. Like, it would be really weird if they just took the company driver pay out of the settlement that I was going to get, because that wouldn't make much sense. It would make more sense for them to split it by miles, like they would for lease op versus lease op, where it's like you did this route wound up being this many miles, and you did this many miles of that load, they did this many miles, so they get this percentage of that load. It would make more sense if they do that kind of split, but with themselves instead of with the other driver, where they keep the other percentage. I'm probably running out of time by now, aren't I? I am over again. Sweet. Sweet. Very good at talking for too long. Very good at talking for too long. That's fine. So now I've got like 8 more minutes before I actually have to stop talking. No, really no clue how they do the revenue split for, and just before anyone else asks, I'm not purposefully cutting the videos at 10 minutes and 20-something seconds. It's just something that GoPros do. I don't do it on purpose. I wouldn't be doing it if I had another choice. I'm not doing it to make y'all mad or to get extra ad views, and it just does that. So I'm trying to keep the video shorter than that, but occasionally I just forget. I just forget. So before my computer died, I was just able to edit around that, and now while my computer is dead, I'm just kind of stuck with that. Did try one thing to get my computer working again. That did not work while I was on home time. Didn't have enough time or money to actually just straight up buy a new computer just yet, because I need to do taxes before I start spending more money, just to make sure I don't wind up owing my entire savings account to the government for the 3 months that we were lease ops last year. We will see on that front. I'm really hoping that it works out to where whatever I'm going to be getting back as a refund from the first 9 months of the year is about what I wind up owing for the last 3 months. But it's probably going to be I wind up owing some money. We'll see. I gotta get my W-2s before I can do that. So yeah. I wonder if I can get this truck to my mailbox in Billings. That'd be interesting. Just roll up in a semi to pick up my mail. That'd be cool. Well, I think we are rolling towards a city of some kind. Ashland, maybe? Is it Ashland out here? I don't know. I don't know the names of all the cities out here. I know Lame Deer just because it's like a city named Lame Deer. Also, it's got a roundabout in the middle of it, which is amusing. It did replace the only stoplight on this road, so that's a good thing. Or the only stop sign has been replaced by a roundabout. But I don't think my battery will last all the way there. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow, probably, but in the next video, whenever that happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's ElioDare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, ElioDare on Steam and everything else, and Twitter. Twitter's the important one. Come say hi on Twitter. I'm there all the time. Eliodare, no apostrophe in the username. Hello, engine brakes coming on. Brrr, yes. Slow us down, Mr. Apophis. Scream your anger at the world. But yes, come say hi on Twitter. Twitter's the best place to get a hold of me. I'm there all the time. I check it literally every time I stop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.